our experiment is called Fizzing Rainbow Experiment. So it has two names. Fizzing. Fizzing means this sound. Yes, that's the fizzing sound. Rainbow, you know rainbow, right? Rainbow has 7 colors. So today, we'll have rainbow colors in our experiment. But we will only have 6, okay? But it's still rainbow. Means a lot of colors. So are you ready to see the rainbow colors? Okay, in this experiment, we need a lot of cups. We need baking soda, food color, dishwashing liquid, and what is this?
Baking soda.
What is this?
Baking soda.
This is the baking soda. This one. This is the baking soda. This is vinegar. You don't remember vinegar? We always use vinegar and baking soda in our experiment. Okay, so here in one tray, I lined up cups like a rainbow in an arc also. And in these cups, we will put baking soda. And we have 6 extra cups also for our vinegar. So are you ready to do your experiment?
Yeah!